Tired of staring at a command line and ready to bring Ubuntu to life with a graphical interface? This video will guide you through installing a desktop environment like GNOME, KDE, or XFCE, turning your command line-only Ubuntu into a fully functional desktop system. First, update your system's package list. This ensures you have the latest software information. Next, type the command to install your preferred desktop environment. For example, if you want GNOME, type in the GNOME install command. The installation process will take some time depending on your internet speed. You can grab a snack while waiting for the files to download. During the installation, you might be prompted to configure your display manager. If you want to install different desktop environment, it's best to select the associated display manager for that interface after the installation is complete. It's time to reboot your system. To do this, type in the restart command. Once your system restarts, you will be greeted by the login screen of your newly installed GUI. Now, simply enter your username and password, and you'll be logged into your beautiful Ubuntu desktop.